Okay, so my next question for you though is what is the connection between Christmas and gift giving? Do you think that Christmas, because everybody's talking about presents and stuff, do you think it's too materialistic?
No.
He's like, give me the present, damn.
There are other days of the year that I think is really materialistic. But
What day is that? Valentine's Day?
Okay, of course. Of course.
I'm upset.
And that's a one-way street. But anyway, let's leave it alone.
Oh, stop with the thing, the man, the gender thing.
I never said, I just said it's a one-way street. I just left it right there.
We give a lot, man.
Yeah. Give a lot of headache. Yeah, but yeah, the
it's
gift
Christmas,
giving,
stop it.
Yeah. And then people it's a feel-good time. And the best feeling is when you make someone else feel good.
But here's my question though. There was a time growing up when, reflecting on it now, when Christmas used to be about church, Jesus.
Still?
Thing. I don't feel like we push that as much. You know what I mean when I say as much? Like now,
do you need to
you're
push
not really seeing the nativity scene and the thing and the thing and the thing.
You don't need to push it. It's everywhere. I mean,
I agree. I mean,
we have the most churches per square mile in the world. But we look, every church has them Christmas service.
Jesus.
Every church has them Christmas service. Every church.
Are you going to Christmas service?
I probably would.
Would or will?
Probably, yeah.
It's tomorrow.
More than likely.
You're going tomorrow?
Well, we have 2 Christmas days.
You're like, which one of them? Which one of them? I hear that.
Christmas is not tomorrow. Christmas is the day after tomorrow.
Okay. Y'all gonna celebrate the second one?
No. Probably 2 of them.
May I celebrate the first one? May I sleep on the second one? But may I go work on the second one, the first one, and sleep, may I work 2 of them?
Well, however it is that you decide to spend Christmas, enjoy it.